warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We from Puput would like to introduce ourselves.
Hello, my name is Liza Yuliandini. My last NPM 003. I'm here as Maya. Bye-bye.
Hello, my name is Puput Fadilah. My last NPM is 030. I'm here as Bina Kusuma.
Hello, my name is Christian Starly. My last NPM is 026. I'm here as a Rama.
Hello, my name is Suliha. My last NPM 21 and 4, and I'm as Putri. Hi.
My name is firmansyah, NPM 060. I'm here as Joko.
The servant village, the large tree, Princess Maya, Rama and Joko all gather, sensing the mystical tension in the air.
Our village has always been protected by this heirloom, but lately, the threat has become more thinkable.
What we can do at a time like this?
We must understand the essence of this heirloom power more deeply, so we can become strong-willed to protect our village.
How do we do that?
After a long journey, they have arrived at the Dewi Heirloom place, and a dialogue takes place as they face the supernatural entity.
Welcome, sons and daughters of Bina Kusuma village. You have come seeking understanding of the power of this heirloom.
Yes, Dewi, our village faced a threat we have never experienced before.
You have dared to seek answers in the darkness. What do you seek?
We need to protect and bring peace to Bina Kusuma village.
We seek a way to protect our village, to understand how the power of this heirloom can help us.
This power is not just a weapon, but a reflection of your hearts and spirits. How you nurture and use this power will reflect your true intentions. You have faced the first trial by expressing pure intent, but this journey is not over. You must face the fears within yourself to understand the true power of this heirloom.
They have returned to the village after gaining new knowledge. They prepare to face the trial given by the heirloom to test their courage and loyalty.
We must face this trial with courage and unity. Only together can we get through this.
We have proven our unity during this journey. Now it's time to prove our courage.
We are an inseparable unit for our village. We will face this trial together.
Let's prove that we are worthy of this power.
Yes! What's that?
We must be prepared, friends. This threat may be stranger than we imagine.
They may come with a large army and magical power we have never faced before.
But we have the power of unity and crowd.
I have an idea on how we can use this new power to fight them. Let's listen.
They return to the village with newfound power, preparing to face an approaching threat. The threat may consist of defending forces and evil magical powers. This discussion emphasized the need for strategy and coordination in facing the threat, while reminding of the strengths of unity they have built during their journey. After the battle and their victory, they return to the Heirloom tree to express gratitude and reflect.
Heirloom tree, thank you for your guidance. We will guard this power with wisdom.
This legend will be a lesson for future generations. We are keeper of history and courage.
For Bina Kusuma village, where unity and courage bring peace.
Together, we preserve this heritage to keep it shining.